Let's use ChatGPT to code us our own resume website. Let's start by typing ChatGPT in our search engine. Sign up with your Google account. It is the quickest and easiest. Let's just ask it to create HTML and CSS code for our own resume website. You can use descriptors to better match it to your own style, such as asking to create a colorful and unique style resume website. Whoop, there it is. To actually use this code, let's download VS Code to create our website. Choose the download that matches your operating system. Once downloaded, click the download in our File Explorer. Accept and click through this. VS Code is Microsoft's code editor. Let's open it up. Now go back to the ChatGPT page and copy and paste out code. Name your file up top to save it. Where the text says CSS, let's cut that part out for now. Only the HTML code will be in this file. Now let's save the file as an HTML file when the Save As screen pops up. Let's start a new file and paste the CSS code that we cut out earlier. Name the file style. Save it as a CSS file, like we did before, but CSS instead of an HTML file. Go to the File Explorer and open your HTML file. Boom. Just edit the text in the HTML file to customize it for yourself. This part needs to match the name of your CSS file, which we named Style, so no need to change it in this instance.